OJ Lopez, and you're watching the Fluid Motor Union YouTube channel. Now, when people drop their cars off here at our shop in Naperville, I hear a lot of the same questions, and those two questions often are, hey, I thought you guys only work on high-end expensive stuff. The other question comes from probably a point of intimidation, but that question is usually, hey, will you guys work on my car too? So I'm gonna go with you through why someone would bring us a car like this. Jason has been a tech at Fluid Motor Union since 2021. He came from a heavy-duty service background, so he's well equipped to work on anything that rolls into fluid. And he treats every car with the same level of attention and care.
So every day is different. One day I could be working on just doing a service to just a Mercedes or BMW, or the next day I could be doing a full electrical diagnosis on a 85 M6. That's always a little bit challenging. The one thing I could appreciate about working on older vehicles is there's really less computers involved. It's kind of just all straightforward. There's less modules to kind of deal with, opposed to your newer cars, your supercars that are more electronically controlled. I'm always making sure the vehicle is safe to return back to the customer and safe to be on the road.
Well, some of our techs do have specific skill sets. Techs here like Jason, who services exotics and performs complex engine-out jobs, are also the same techs that perform your oil changes, tire services, really everything.
So every car and every job gets the same Fluid Motor Union treatment.
We do this because I believe in the importance of having a highly trained mechanic keeping an eye on your vehicle's future issues every single time it comes into the shop. Even simple jobs are an opportunity for us to establish a relationship with your vehicle. We want to keep it on the road and protect your investment for years to come. So because of these things, I'm confident when I say that our level of service is unrivaled. I take a lot of pride when an older vehicle like this comes into the shop because I know that our value to this customer goes well beyond just price.
So don't be intimidated by the cars you see on our lot. We want you as a customer no matter what you drive.